Very good morning, dear students. Page number 267. Page number 267. Level 2 questions. Question number 33. Question number 33. Question number 33. An aqueous solution of 6.3 gram oxalic acid dihydrate is made up to 250 ml. The volume of 0.1 normal NaOH required to completely neutralize 10 ml of this solution. The volume of 0.1 normal NaOH required to complete neutralize 10 ml of this solution. Oxalic acid. Dihydrate oxalic acid. This is the oxalic acid. C double bond OOH. C double bond OOH. Dihydrate means 2H2O. This is the oxalic acid. Its molecular weight, gram molecular weight of oxalic acid 120 grams. Otherwise, calculate karo aap from the formula. An aqueous solution of 6.3 gram oxalic acid dihydrate is made up to 250 ml. So first normality find out karo. Normality of oxalic acid. Normality equal to weight by equivalent weight into 1000 by volume. 1000 by volume ml. So equivalent weight equal to gram molecular weight by valency. Gram molecular weight by valency. Oxalic acid valency 2 because 2 replaceable hydrogen atoms. 2 replaceable hydrogen atoms. That's why 126 upon 2 which is equal to 63 equivalent weight. Then normality equal to weight kitna hai 6.3 grams given 6.3 equivalent weight 63 into 1000 by volume 250 1000 by volume. Okay, from this data you are getting normality. Then kitna normality hai aapko 251 ja this one 254 ja this one. This is the 0.1. Then normality of this solution is 0.4 normal. 0.4 normal. Okay. Next. The volume of 0.1 normal NaOH required to complete neutralize 10 ml of this solution. 10 ml of this solution. This is the normality N1. This N1, V1 kitne 10 ml of this solution. 10 ml of this solution to neutralize 0.1 normal NaOH. N2 is 0.1 normal NaOH. So how much volume of NaOH is required to neutralize? Understood this question? Understood, dear students? Dekho, once again I am repeating. This is 0.4 normal, right? An aqueous solution of 6.3 gram oxalic acid dihydrate is made up to 250 ml. So dihydrate oxalic acid 6.3 gram and 250 ml. This normality 0.4 normal. In this solution 10 ml they are taken. To neutralize 0.1 normal NaOH, how much volume are required? Okay. The volume of 0.1 normal NaOH required to complete neutralize 10 ml of this solution. 10 ml of this solution, how much volume required? So this is the dilution law. Dilution law N1V1 equal to N2V2. N1 0.4, V1 is the 10, N2.1, V2 find out karo. Okay, then for this one 40 equal to V2. 40 equal to V2. Any doubt? Dear students, understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Nikita, understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, pass the dear students. ब्लर दिख रहे बोल रहे। Next, question number 34. The normality of orthophosphoric acid having purity of 70% by weight. Specific gravity is 1.54 would be. Orthophosphoric acid. Orthophosphoric acid means H3PO4, P double bond O, OH, OH, OH. This is the orthophosphoric acid. First equivalent weight of orthophosphoric acid find out karo. Equivalent weight equal to gram molecular weight by valency. Valency means replaceable hydrogens. Oxygen atom attached hydrogens are replaceable hydrogens. How many replaceable hydrogens here? 3 replaceable hydrogens. Gram molecular weight. 4 oxygens, 4 16 is 64, is 65, 66, 67. 67 cos plus 31, 98. 98 by 3. Dear students, understood equivalent weight of orthophosphoric acid? Orthophosphoric acid means H3PO4. H3PO4. This is the structure of orthophosphoric acid. Equivalent weight equal to gram molecular weight by valency. Then 98 by 3. Okay. Next, percentage by weight given. Percentage by weight given. 98 by 3 कितने रे? Percentage by weight. Percentage by weight 70 given. Density given. Density of specific gravity given 1.54. 1.54. Okay. This one 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 6.
32.32.
Okay now. Then normality formula. Normality equal to percentage into density into 10 by gram equivalent weight. You know percentage 70, density is 1.54 into 10 upon equivalent weight. Equivalent weight how much? 32.2. Then you will get normality. Any doubt, dear students? थोड़ा calculation करो रे. $33 normal. Okay. Shall I go to next problem? Problem number 35. Problem number 35. Problem number 35. Mole fraction of C3H5OH thrice in a solution of 36 gram of water and 46 gram of glycerin. Mole fraction of C3H5OH in a solution of 36 gram of water, 46 gram of glycerin. Means C6H5OH thrice is the glycerin ring. CH2OH, CHOH, CH2OH, this one. C3H5OH thrice, this is the glycerin. Gram molecular weight find out karo, this one. Gram molecular weight find out karo, glycerin. Anybody tell me gram molecular weight? 3 carbons, 1 carbon 12, 12, 3 carbons 36, 3 oxygens, 3 16 of 48. Understood? Hydrogens 3, 5, 8. 8. Then 8, 8, 16, 22, 2, 2, 9, 92 gram molecular weight. Moles find out karo yaar first. Number of moles of glycerin. Glycerin weight by gram molecular weight. Weight by gram molecular weight. Weight how much given? 46 gram of glycerin. 46 by 9. Then 1 by 2 mole. Number of moles of water. Number of moles of water. Again same weight by gram molecular weight. Weight of water is given. Weight of water 36. Gram molecular weight of water 18. H2O है ना? H2O. Oxygen 16, 2 hydrogens 2. 16 plus 2, 18. Then this is the 2 moles. 2 moles. What we want? Mole fraction of glycerin. And mole fraction of glycerin, which is equal to number of moles of glycerin upon number of moles of glycerin plus number of moles of water. Number of moles of glycerin is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus 2. Then 1 by 2 upon, this is how much? 1 by 2 and 2 means 5 by 2. 5 by 2. Then 1 by 2 into 2 by 5. 1, 2, 2 cancel, 1 by 5. 0.2 moles. Any doubt? Understood, dear students? In the question, mole fraction of C3H5OH thrice in a solution of 36 gram water, 46 gram glycerin. 46 gram glycerin, 36 gram water given. This is the glycerin formula. These are the moles glycerin, moles water. Mole fraction of glycerin equal to number of moles of glycerin upon number of moles of glycerin plus number of moles. समझ में आया ना? क्या मैडम? You are asking 46 something? 46 gram of glycerin, madam. Glycerin weight they are given. Problem देखो. Dear students, 46 gram of glycerin. Right. $46 gram glycerin, 18 gram water given, right? Next problem. Problem number 37. Sorry, 36. Problem number 36. First you see the problem, you have to read minimum 2 times what is given, what we have to do, that is important first of all in physical chemistry. 36. Problem number 36. Problem number 36. The volume of water to be added to 400 ml of N by 8 HCl to make it exactly N by 12. Good question. So, B1 equal to 400 ml. 400 ml of N by 8 HCl. This is given solution is HCl. N1 equal to N by normal D. 1 by 8 N means N by 8 normal. The volume of water to be added to 400 ml of N by 8 HCl to make it exactly N by 12. And B2 how much? N2 how much? Exactly N by 12. N by 12 means 1 by 12 normal. N by 12. First B2 find out karo. 400 ml of 1 by 8 normal solution becomes 1 by 12 normal को, then how much volume होना चाहिए? How much volume? If you know the volume, how much water to be added? So dilution of this concept, N1 V1 equal to N2 V2. N1 is 1 by 8, V1 is 400, N2 is 1 by 12, V2 find out karo. Then V2 equal to 400 into 12 upon 8. Okay. 400, 4 2s are 2 1s are 2 6s are. Then V2 equal to 600 ml. Okay. To make it as 1 by 12 normal, volume कितना होना चाहिए? 600 ml. But already V1 कितने हैं? Already how many ml of solution is there?
400,
400. Then how much water to be added?
200.
200. 200. Okay. Volume of water to be added V2 minus V1 means 600 minus 400. 400 ml water to be added here. 400 ml is there. Final volume 600 ml. Then how much water added? 200 ml add karna. That's completed problem. Understood? Tejas okay? Right. Shraddha, understood? क्या मैडम? Okay, okay. When 100 ml of 10 molar, next question. Right? When 100 ml of 10 molar solution of H2SO4, 100 ml of 1 molar solution of NaOH are mixed, the resultant solution will be. Problem number 37. Problem number 37. H2SO4. H2SO4 one component given, volume 100 ml, volume of acid 100 ml. Are molarity given, molarity of acid equal to 10 molar given. Normality equal to molarity into valency, H2SO4 valency, and normality of acid equal to 10 into 2, then 20 normal. 20 normal acid. Sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide is the base. Sodium hydroxide is the base. Volume of base 100 ml, but given is molarity of base 1 molar given. Normality of base equal to valency. Molarity into valency. Are molarity is given 1. Valency of sodium hydroxide 1. OH. OH. Valency means your OH. Base is 1 OH. इधर क्या है H2SO4 2 replaceable. That's why normality of base equal to 1 half. अरे इधर NaVa find out करो यार. NaVa this one. NaVa means Na is 20, Da is 100, then 2000. इधर NbVb find out करो यार. NbVb. Nb is 1, Vb is 100. Then NbVb is 100 milli equivalents. So your NaVa is greater than NbVb. Any doubt? 2100. NaVa is greater than NbVb. That's why the resultant solution is acidic. Any doubt, dear students? Samruddhi understood? Samruddhi okay now? Rohini? Okay, right. Next problem.
Wait,
लिखो.
complete.
38, problem number 38. Nikita understood?
Yes, sir.
Problem number 38. In order to prepare 1 liter normal solution of KMnO4, how many grams of KMnO4 required? The solution is to be used in acidic medium for oxidation. In order to prepare 1 liter normal solution of KMnO4, how many grams of KMnO4 required? The solution is to be used in acidic medium for oxidation. You know, normality acidic medium KMnO4. KMnO4 in KMnO4 acidic medium, which is converted to MnSO4. Manganese plus 7, your manganese plus 2. Change in oxidation number 5. So then n factor 5. N factor 5. Okay, right. Then normality equal to what is normality? Number of gram equivalents upon volume in liters. Number of gram equivalents upon volume in liters. But question में क्या दिया? In order to prepare 1 liter normal solution. Normal means 1 normal number of gram equivalents, volume 1 liter. So then one number of equivalents 1. So then number of gram equivalents. So number of gram equivalents equal to K weight by equivalent weight. But number of gram equivalent weight is 1. Then weight by equivalent weight. Then equivalent weight equal to weight. Sir, what is equivalent weight? Equivalent weight equal to gram molecular weight by valency. Gram molecular weight of KMnO4 158. KMnO4 gram molecular weight 158. Potassium permanganate gram molecular weight. Valency how much? Change in oxidation number 5. 158 by 5. And 158 by 5 means how much of it? 5 3s of 15. Okay.
31.6.
31.6. Right. So equivalent weight equal to weight 31.6. That is the weight. Understood this problem?
Repeat again.
So definitely रे question भी देखो रे आप question number 38 in order to prepare दिख रहे हैं आपको question number 38 in order to prepare 1 liter normal solution of KMnO4 how many grams of KMnO4 required if the solution is to be used in acidic medium KMnO4 acidic medium converted to MnSO4 either +7 either +2 change in oxidation number 5. Okay, so normality equal to number of gram equivalents upon volume in liters. One normal, one liter. Number of gram equivalents 1 right. Means 1 in 1 means 1 होते ना. But number of gram equivalent means weight by equivalent weight. Equivalent weight means gram molecular weight by valency. KMnO4 150 change in oxidation number 5 valency 5. 31.6. So 1 equal to weight by equivalent weight equal to weight, then weight equal to 31.6. Okay now? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Next. Shall we go to next problem?
Yes, sir.
Problem number 39. Problem number 39. 12.5 ml of solution containing 6 grams of dibasic acid in 1 liter. 12.5 ml of solution containing 6 grams of dibasic acid in 1 liter was found to be neutralized by 10 ml of decinormal solution of NaOH, the molecular mass of the acid. Okay, dear students, listen carefully. 12.5 ml of solution containing 6 grams of dibasic acid in 1 liter was found to be neutralized by 10 ml of decinormal solution. Right. First normality find out करो रे. First normality find out करो. What is the how to find out normality? 6 grams of dibasic acid in 1 liter. And one more important point, 1 minute. Huh? Problem number 39, 12.5 ml of solution containing 6 grams of dibasic acid in 1 liter was found to be neutralized by 10 ml of decinormal solution of NaOH. This is the acid, this is the base. 12.5 ml, volume of acid equal to 12.5 ml. Then normality of acid we have to find out. 12.5 ml of solution containing 6 grams of dibasic acid in 1 liter was found to be neutralized. 10 ml of decinormal. Volume of base 10 ml. Decinormal means 0.1 normal. Decinormal means 0.1 normal. Deci means 1 by 10 normal. Decinormal. 1 by 10 means 0.1. So neutralization process, right? Neutralization is NaVa equal to NbVb होना चाहिए. Na we have to find out Va 12.5, Nb is 0.1, Vb is 10. Then Na equal to क्या है? 0.1 into 10, 1 by 12.5. Na how much? 1 by 12.5. Any doubt? 1 by 12.5, this is the normality of acid. But we know very well normality equal to weight upon equivalent weight into 1000 by volume ml or 1 by V liters. 1 by V liters. Therefore, in the problem clearly they are given 6 grams of dibasic acid in 1 liter. Normality 1 by 12.5. Directly I am writing. Weight is 6 grams. Equivalent weight into 1 by volume 1 liter. Then equivalent weight equal to equivalent weight that side 12.5 into 6. This is the equivalent weight. 12.5 into 6 कितना है equivalent weight?
75.
Equivalent weight equal to gram molecular weight by valency. This is the 75. 75 which is equal to gram molecular weight by valency. Problem में दिया, in problem क्या दिया? 6 grams of dibasic acid. Dibasic acid means acid का basicity is 2. Dibasic, valency 2. So then 75 into 2, 150. 150 equal to gram molecular weight. 100% of book देखो रे, without seeing the book you could not understand. Minimum you have to read problem 2 times. Once again I am repeating. Listen my dear students. Problem number 39. 12.5 ml of solution. 12.5 ml of solution given. Okay, containing 6 gram of dibasic acid in 1 liter was found to be neutralized. 10 ml of decinormal NaOH. अरे तो देखो, this volume given, normality find out करो NbVb. Normality आया. But in that, what is given? 6 grams of dibasic acid in 1 liter. Then what is the gram molecular weight? 6 grams. This is the normality. 6 equivalent weight into 1 liter. 1 by 1. Equivalent weight this much. But equivalent weight equal to gram molecular weight by valence. That is the dibasic acid. SCT2. Any doubt? $150 grams. Then the answer is fourth one. Fourth one. देखो. Next. Shall we go to next problem?
Yes, sir.
Problem number 40. Problem number 40. Problem number 40. 50 gram of sample of sodium hydroxide required for complete neutralization. 1 liter, 1 normal HCl. 1 liter, 1 normal HCl. Normal T equal to weight by equivalent weight into 1 by volume liters. This is the one. Then weight by equivalent weight into 1 by 1. Then weight equal to equivalent weight. Equivalent weight of HCl. Equivalent weight of HCl. HCl का molecular weight is 36.5. Valency 1. Then equivalent weight is 36.5. Understood, right? So then weight how much? So weight equal to 36.5 grams. 1 liter, 1 normal HCl means its weight is 36.5 grams. That is the meaning. Any doubt? But in the problem, 50 grams sample of sodium hydroxide. This one and one more thing. Weight by equivalent weight, number of equivalent weights of HCl from this data. Weight by equivalent weight of HCl equal to 1. HCl equivalents weight by equivalent weight of HCl 1 है तो weight by equivalent weight of NaOH also 1 because of neutralization है ना, equal होना चाहिए ना. So means उधर भी meaning क्या है? So weight equal to equivalent weight, even base also. Base sodium hydroxide. Equivalent weight of sodium hydroxide. Equivalent weight of sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide 40, valence 1, 40 by 1, 40. Then weight equal to कितने? 40 grams. 40 grams. Understood, dear students? 1 liter, 1 normal HCl means weight 36.5. Weight equal to equivalent weight. So definitely weight by equivalent weight 1. Weight by equivalent weight means gram equivalents. So gram equivalents of acid equal to gram equivalents of base. Gram equivalents means weight by equivalents. So weight equal to equivalent weight NaOH. Equivalent weight of NaOH is 40. Then weight 40. Understood? But we want 50 gram of sample of sodium hydroxide required complete neutralization 1 liter, 1 normalized. The percentage of purity. The percentage of purity कितना कंज्यूम हो गया? 40. अवेलेबिलिटी कितने हैं? 50. 40 by 50. Then answer is
80.
80%. Understood? In the neutralization process, gram equivalents equal होना चाहिए. That is the main condition. So weight by equivalent weight is nothing but gram equivalents. Weight by equivalent weight of HCl 1 है तो weight by equivalent weight of NaOH also 1. Any doubt?
Sir, please repeat.
So definitely. Once again I am repeating. Don't worry. प्रॉब्लम पढ़ाई करो, एक बार प्रॉब्लम पढ़ाई करो मैडम, बताओ तो. Read the problem.
50 gram of sample of sodium hydroxide required for complete neutralization. 1 liter, 1 NaCl. What is the percentage purity of NaOH? Is
Gram of sample of sodium hydroxide required for complete neutralization. 1 liter, 1 normal HCl. अरे 1 liter 1 normal HCl को How much sodium hydroxide required? First you have to find out. Normality weight by equivalent weight 1 by volume. Normality 1, volume 1. Then weight by equivalent weight 1. Weight by equivalent weight of HCl is 1. Understood, madam?
Yes.
Right. Weight by equivalent weight of HCl 1 है तो न्यूट्रलाइजेशन क्या है? Weight by equivalent weight. Weight by equivalent weight of NaOH also क्या होना चाहिए? 1 होना चाहिए ना? Because of acid equivalent equal to, these are the gram equivalents. Gram equivalents means weight by equivalent weight. Number of gram equivalent is nothing but weight by equivalent weight. So weight by equivalent weight of HCl 1 है तो weight by equivalent weight of sodium hydroxide also 1. So this is the one. Okay, equivalent weight of NaOH. Gram molecular weight by valency. Gram molecular weight कितने हैं? 40. Valency क्या है? 1. 40 by 1. Understood?
Yes, understood.
Then weight by 40 equal to 1. Then weight equal to 40. Okay, but percentage of purity चाहिए हमको. Percentage of purity. But sodium hydroxide कितना availability है? 50. But कितना requirement? 40 grams required. Availability 50. 40 by 50 into 100. Available. This is the required weight. This is the total weight. Required weight upon total weight into 100. 80%. Shall I go to next problem? 41.
So I'm not able to see your screen.
Karan, screen दिख रहा है ना?
No, sir.
No,
Yes,
madam.
sir.
हाँ दिख रहे हैं मैडम. I think आपका सिग्नल प्रॉब्लम देखो.
हाँ.
Okay, no problem. देखो एक बार. हाँ. 41. Question number 41. How many grams of 40% pure sodium hydroxide is dissolved in 0.5 molar 250 ml NaOH? Sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. Molarity equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by volume ml. Because of volume ml given, molarity कितना given? 0.5 molar. How many grams of 40% pure sodium hydroxide is dissolved in 0.5 molar 250 ml NaOH? 0.5 molar weight. Gram molecular weight of sodium hydroxide 40. 1000 by 250. 1000 by 250. 251 ja 254 ja 41 ja 410 ja. Weight equal to how much? 0.5 into 10, 5 grams. 5 grams. 40% purity. How many grams of 40% pure sodium hydroxide is dissolved in 0.5 molar 250 ml NaOH solution? हंड्रेड परसेंट प्योरिटी है तो 5 ग्राम्स होना चाहिए. How many grams of 40% pure sodium hydroxide? How many grams of 40% pure sodium hydroxide? Did any mistake calculation? To 50 ml given 0.5 molar 410 0.5 into 5 grams. Five grams. Five into 40 by 100. कितना प्यूरिटी है? 40% प्यूरिटी मीन्स 40 by 100 है ना. 5 grams को 40 by 100. 0 0 cancel. 4 by 10. 5 4 जा 20. 20 by 10. Then 2 grams. Understood? Molarity equal to weight by gram molecular weight into 1000 by volume ml. Molarity 0.5. Weight by gram molecular weight 1000 by volume. Weight 5 grams. 5 grams को 40% purity how much? 5 into 40 by 100. 2 grams. Okay now?
So option थर्ड दिया है.
हाँ wrong है. अरे सिंपल लॉजिक यार. 5 ग्राम फॉर एग्जांपल 5 ग्राम 100 को 5 ग्राम से 40 को कितना होना चाहिए? वैसे भी कैलकुलेट किया तो 2 ग्राम्स आते हैं ना. करण अंडरस्टूड?
No, sir.
40 को 2 ग्राम्स 40 को 2 ग्राम्स देन 20 को कितने 1 ग्राम टोटल 5 ग्राम्स हो गए ना. वैसे भी आंसर करेक्ट होना चाहिए ना. देखो once again I am repeating question. देखो dear students, question number 41. How many grams of 40% pure sodium hydroxide is dissolved in 0.5 molar 250 ml of NaOH solution? 0.5 molar 250 ml. Molarity weight by gram molecular weight 1000 by volume. Molarity weight gram molecular weight 1000 by 250. Weight 5 grams. 5 grams को 40% कितना है? 5 into 40 by 100. ओके ना?
सर बुक में आंसर 12.5 है.
हाँ इसलिए मैं बताया ना रॉन्ग वैसे. ओके ना मैडम?
ओके.
समझ में आया ना दिस वन?
Sir.
5 ग्राम्स क्या आया? 5 ग्राम को 40% कितने रे? 5 into 40 by 100 है ना? एनी डाउट?
सर ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं ना. weight into 40 by 100 is equals to 5.
Which one? Weight into 40 by 100. This one वैसे ना? करण?
नहीं सर ऐसे नहीं. weight into 40 by 100 is equals to 5.
सर वैसे आता है 12.5.
एक मिनट वो क्या पूछ रहे थे? वेट. How many grams of 40%? 40%। अच्छा, एक मिनट, वेट परसेंटेज कितना दिया?
40%.
40%। 40% इक्वल टू 40 by
100.
equal to 5।
Sir, 40 by 100 into weight equal to 5.
अच्छा, 40% है ना?
Sir, what 40% of pure sodium hydroxide बोला है ना, तो 40 by 100 into weight.
इक्वल टू 5 grams।
Yes, sir.
वेट परसेंटेज है ना? अच्छा, हाउ मच वेट दे आर आस्किंग? दिस इज द वेट है ना, राइट? So 40% pure weight, right? 40 by 100, then weight equal to 5 into 100 by 40. 40. Then 0 cancel, 50 by 4, 12.5. Right, sorry. समझ में आ रहे हैं? 41 देखो. How many grams of 40% pure sodium hydroxide is dissolved in 0.5 molar 250 ml NaOH solution? Molarity equal to weight by gram molecular weight 1000 by volume ml. Molarity 0.5, weight gram molecular weight 40,000 by 250. So then weight 5 grams. But problem में क्या पूछ रहे देखो? How many grams of 40% pure sodium hydroxide? 40% को weight, 40% को weight कितने they are asking? 40 by 100 को weight, this is the 5 grams. They are means 40% का weight dissolved. According to problem, we got 5 grams. 40% by weight into 40 by 100 per weight. 40 by 100 into weight equal to 5 grams. This step understood? 5 grams dissolved. But the dissolved weight कितने? 40% weight. 40% weight means 40 by 100 into weight. Any doubt? प्रॉब्लम इसलिए दो बार पढ़ाई करने वाले रहे. देखो क्लियरली दे आर गिवन 40% प्योर सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड इज डिसॉल्व्ड. दिस इज द डिसॉल्व्ड वेट. 40% को वेट कितना? इतना, दिस मच दे आर गिवन. सो दैट वेट कितना है? 5 into 100 by 40 means 40% means 40 by 100 into weight equal to 5 grams. Weight equal to 5. Any doubt? Okay ना? चलो go next problem.
Yes, sir.
41 sorry 42. इसलिए प्रॉब्लम पढ़ाई करो रे, दो बार पढ़ाई करने वाले. देखो डिसॉल्व परसेंटेज दे आर गिवन, वेट परसेंटेज नहीं. वेट परसेंटेज है तो 5 into 40 by 100. then 2 grams आता आंसर. (42) वो भी डिफिकल्ट है, थोड़ा कंसंट्रेट करो रे. फर्स्ट यू शुड अंडरस्टैंड द प्रॉब्लम. 42 100 ml of 0.2 normal HCl solution. 42 HCl volume of HCl is 100 ml. Normality of HCl is 0.2 normal. Okay. AgNO3 volume of this one I am taking B1, A1, B2 volume of AgNO3 100 ml. Normality of AgNO3 0.2 normal. The molarity of nitrate ion, the normality equal to molarity दोनों सेम रहे. Molarity of nitrate ion. अरे HCl है तो H plus and Cl minus. AgNO3 means Ag plus and NO3 minus. So NO3 minus ion concentration दोनों mix किया ना. The molarity of nitrate ion in the mixture will be देखो dear students, the molarity of nitrate ion. NO nitrate ion, M actually normality equal to molarity either. M1 equal to 0.2, M2 equal to 0.2. Okay. Formula M1 V1 plus M2 V2 by V1 plus V2. Current understood? But either HCl may H plus and Cl minus concentration. There is no nitrate ion concentration. That's why you need not be considered this one. Nitrate ion concentration 0 रे 0 into V1 is 100 plus, but इधर क्या है M2 0.2 into 100 upon V1 plus V2. V1 plus V2 कितने हैं? इधर 100 इधर 100 100 plus 100. Any doubt? 0.2 into this is the 0 plus 0.2 into 100 20 upon 200 and 20 by 200 1 by 10 0.1. Understood? Very important model question this one. Dear students, any doubt? 100 ml of 0.2 normal HCl, 100 ml of 0.2 normal AgNO3. Normality, molarity same either. Molarity 0.2, either molarity 0.2. 0.2 into 100, but either 0.2 you need not be taking. This is the chloride ka molarity or H plus ka molarity, but we want nitrate. But either AgNO3 means nitrate. 0 into 100 plus 0.2 into 100 upon 100 plus 100. Any doubt? Any doubt? Rudula? Manoj?
No, sir.
Right. Nikita, understood? Nikita?
सर सेकंड स्टेप रिपीट करो.
This one?
यस सर.
देखो Ag nitrate AgNO3 means Ag plus and NO3 minus है ना. NO3 minus means क्या है इधर molarity 0.2 है ना, 0.2 into 100. M2 V2 है ना, M2 V2 है ना. Both solutions are mixed. M1 V1 plus M2 V2 by V1 plus V2. Either nitrate ion concentration 0. Chloride is there. That's why this one is we are taking 0. M0, M1 0. Understood? 0 into 100. This one 0.2 into 100 upon 100 plus 100. Any doubt?
नो सर.
What is given? First you have to read the problem minimum 2 times. Otherwise हम क्या सोचते हैं? M1 V1 भी लेते हैं. M1 V1 कैसे लेते हैं? Next. Problem number 43. Shall I repeat?
Yes, sir.
Problem number 43. The density of 3 molar solution of NaCl, density equal to 1.25 gram per ml, molarity equal to 3 molar, molarity of the solution, small m equal to 1000 m upon 1000 d minus m dash. You know this one. Small m molarity, capital M molarity, m dash molecular weight of solute. M dash is the molecular weight of solute. Sodium chloride 58.5. Because of sodium 23, chlorine 35.5. Chlorine 35.5. Molarity equal to 1000 m upon 1000 d minus m dash. Yes, find out karo. Then molarity equal to 1000 m means 3, 1000 d means 1.25 minus m dash 3 into m dash 58.5. Calculate किया था आपको आंसर. Completed? Okay, sir.
2.7.
2.7. Is there answer?
Sir, first.
Yeah, first. 2.7. 2.7 in there. Okay. Next problem. Yesterday 56, 57, 58 किए रहे आप. Problem number 269. Page number 269 देखो. Page number 269. 56, 57, 58. Fifty-six, 57, 58. वो balancing only भी किया ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, direct वो equation balancing है ना? आंसर से सॉल्व कर सकते. एक मिनट.